In this video, I'll be teaching you a very useful tutorial on how to fix your Notepad is corrupted or not working error in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to uninstall your Notepad. So how we can do so, here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring it up. So kindly wait until everything would be showing up here or everything are set before we proceed. Once set, please proceed directly to the left pane where you can see a list of the option and locate web apps. Click on it and eventually you can see this kind of option, a list of the option. Please proceed to the first which contains the installed app where you can uninstall and manage apps on your PC. So here in this section, you need to proceed here at the search bar and type for Notepad. Once you've typed it, you would be able to see a result where it could show here Notepad under Microsoft Corporation. So in order to uninstall or remove it, please click on the three dots aligning to it and click on uninstall. Okay? And the moment you do it, please wait until it would be installed. Okay, it will only take less than a minute to do so. Once you have uninstalled it, close the window and reinstall it again to the Microsoft Store. So bring up your Microsoft Store. Okay, and here at the search bar, please type for Windows Notepad and hit the enter key. So it marked here open because in my case, I have already installed my Notepad and it's working well. But in your case, it will mark here get since you have uninstalled it earlier on the step. Okay, so click on the get button here. Okay, and install that. Kindly wait until it would be done. It will only take few minutes to do so, especially if you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection. So please wait until this would be done. And once you have done it, just install it in the computer and you can use this newly reinstalled Windows Notepad as your new notepad here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now you can now close the window once you're done and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.